Hi, so today I'm going to discuss today's contest third problem, minimum length anagram concatenation. So what is the problem statement is that you are given a string S which is known to be concatenation of anagrams of some string T. Return the minimum possible length of string T. An anagram is formed by rearranging the letters of a string. For example, AAB, ABA and BA are anagrams of AAB. Right, so we will given a string, suppose here it is AB BA. So if I make only one length, suppose one length, so every string will be A B B A, right? So this frequency is not correct because here it is A but no B, but there is no A but B is present. So K is equal to one length is not possible. So K is equal to length possible or not? Let's check for AB and BA. Here also B is 1 times, A is 1 times, here also B is 1 times, A is 1 times. So this is possible. So this is our minimum because I don't have to check K is 3 possible or not, 4 is possible or not, right? And one observation is that like concatenation anagrams, right? So if our length, string input length is suppose 6, can our anagram length is possible? 4 not possible. Why? If I conjugate two string of length 4, 4 plus 4, which is length will be 8, not equal to 6. So it's not possible. If I take only one anagram, then also length is 4, that is not equal to 6, right? So length of anagram should be divisible by length of the input string. Like here 6, so possible is one can be possible 6, one is possible 2, one is 2, one another is 3, right? So the possible length of anagram should be factors of the length, right? Because if I don't take different length, like k is equal to, suppose here it is 4, which is not a factor of 6, length of the 6. So this will not be an anagram, right? So first I will factor out all the factors of the length. Then I will check that by taking the length that k factor, suppose factor I, can I can I make the anagrams, like because I will first create the map, suppose vector of size 26, okay, 26 whose will be same also for the other string also, right? For like here AB BA, so AB I will create another, first I will create a map, then BA I also create another map, then I will take this, do two maps are equal or not. So let's see the code. So this is the factors. First I will factor out all the possible length possible for anagrams, right? So I will check that it is divisible or not. If it is divisible, so I will check k is not equal to I, both are same, like it is 9. So 3 is a factor, so 9 by 3 will be 3 both, but I have to take the 3 one times. That's why I'll check that if k not equal to I, then I can like 6 for 6, 2 and 3, 2 are factors, right? So I will take 2 and 3 both, and if it both are same, then only one I will take. Now sort the factors because I have to check with the minimum length, from minimum length, right? So from left to right I will traverse and I'll check from k is equal to 2 is possible or not, 3 is equal to possible or not, suppose in this way. Now I am traversing the factors array. Now suppose our current factors is 2, suppose. So now for length is equal to 2, answer will be like 2. So answer for length is equal to, I will create one map 0 to 2. Okay, for 2 length means 0 and 1. For these characters I will create a map, and initially I will take the is possible, right? And I will traverse remaining characters of the string. So it will start from 2, and how it will increase length. I is equal to I plus k here it is the factor length of the a, and now I am traversing the one by one substring, like 0 to k I have already traversed here. Now k to k plus 1 to k plus k, Okay, now we need to look k plus k plus 1, then k plus 2k in this way. Now starting from all the I is equal to k. Now create this that sub-array that is starting from k plus 1 to k plus k, that is like j is equal to I plus j is equal to I and j less than equal to I plus answer. Here answer is equal to k, so j will be less than I plus k, right? And create a new map on that. If that reference map and the current map is not same, then it's not possible to make the anagram, right? Because on each length here the frequency of each character should be same also here for this test case also. So if not possible, then false, make it false, then break. If it is possible for all the, then after traversing all the characters, now we'll check that if it is possible for all the substring or not. If it's possible, still it is true, then return the answer. Because I don't have to check the k is equal to 3 or possible or not, k is equal to 4 is possible or not. If k is equal to 2 is giving us anagram is possible, because I have to find out the minimum length. Right, got it? What is the time out of this? Here will be n log n, and here it will be for loop will be same for big of n, so it will be almost n square. Okay, got it, right? Thank you.